you getting the DXGI error device removed error while playing Resident Evil Requiem on PC? This error is usually caused by unstable GPU drivers, DirectX 12 issues, GPU overclock instability, and corrupted game files. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.